Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about my Nissan Skyline because a lot has been going on behind the scenes with that car. So let's go through the story real quick so you are up to speed. In my final drive last year, it was a really windy day and I had a little bit of an incident with the car actually. And yeah, well, you can just watch here actually. Oh my god! Oh my god! I hope I can just open my eyes now. Oh, and this was all a dream. What the f is this? Okay. I was going out for like 10-minute drive. Oh! Yeah, so as you see right there, that kind of sucked. I got quite the damage on both the fenders. The hood obviously was broken and my roof were broken and all that stuff, so that's not good at all. And as probably some of you guys know and I've seen in my previous videos, I did actually order a brand new Cybin carbon fiber hood. It looked really good, but I did know that eventually I would have to paint the hood, or I didn't have to, but I wanted to, because I think that the blue look instead of the carbon fiber look, I think that looks more clean, so I kind of wanted that painted. And I needed to paint the roof anyways because the roof had some dents on it. And yeah, so the idea was to just paint the hood and a little bit on the roof, and I can show you some clips of the car being in the paint shop. Okay, so as you see here, they had to paint on the side of the fenders, so they have done some body work right there, and they have also done a lot of body work on the roof, as you can see. And obviously the new hood is already in, so that just needs some paint. And they have removed the front window, the front windshield, so it's quite a lot is going on. And then a few weeks later, after all the prep work was done, it was actually ready for paint. And they also did actually sand down the carbon fiber hood for that extra good blue finish. And then actually a major thing happened. What happened was they painted the hood, and then it turned out it's not the same color. That Bayside blue is really hard to get just right. It's a really difficult color to paint. So we actually decided, you know what, instead of just painting just the hood, we're going to like fade it out. And by fading out, I mean paint the whole car. That's right. My Nissan Skyline is now resprayed. I've painted the whole car in Bayside blue again. So the car is super minty fresh now. I am so happy about the results, and I'm so excited to show you. The car is in the garage right behind me, and I'm super excited to show you guys because the car is looking so fresh now. Yeah, without further ado, I have some really sweet clips of the car that we're going to look at now, and I hope you really like the look with the new wheels and the new color. I have not painted it in another color. I have not. I was thinking like, should I do that? But no, I want to keep that legendary Bayside blue color, of course. But yeah, anyways, remember to subscribe and like this video. And now you will see what my Nissan Skyline currently looks like after it's got a whole new paint job. Let's go. this. Now we have rear quarter panels are painted, doors are painted, roof are painted, it's fixed, no more dents. Side fenders are fixed, new paint on that, and we also have OEM Nismo white tinted turn signals now that I bought actually, and I'm really happy about that. That old one was like orange, but it was so bad that it had a haze, so it was kind of yellow. That was not good. We have brand new GT logo, that's pretty good, and of course the masterpiece, the hood. I mean, look at this. It's so good. Now we have a Cybon carbon fiber hood in Bayside blue, and it's matching the rest of the car. I mean, I am super happy about it. It looks super clean now. I'm so ready to go out and do like photo shoots and stuff with the car. I'm really happy about that. So it looks so fresh. I mean, fenders here are painted, doors, it's so good. The only thing that has not been painted, because it was not needed to, is actually the rear right here, because that is pretty good from before. So it was not needed to paint anything in the rear, but everything from here and forward is painted, and the same is also with the front bumper. It has also been painted like down here, and that's it. So I need to actually change the lip right here, and then it will be super clean. But I have actually acquired a Bayside blue lip, which is really clean right there. So we do have that lip, and I will mount that pretty soon. But yeah, I am over the moon excited about this. I mean, it looks so good now. I mean, the car has seriously never looked this clean. I mean, it's better than, I don't want to say better than factory, but it's really good. It's so nice to think about that. Also new windshield. Yeah, I also got a new windshield. That's pretty nice. So they have actually taken off the old windshield and painted inside here also, and then new windshield and new trim lists or gaskets or what they're called, I don't know. But yeah, and I mean, this was really faded. Now that's black and really fresh. It's really good. And also they have also painted the underside of the hood, so that looks really fresh. And I now also still have that, so I wash the car, I don't get water on the engine. That's pretty good. But I really feel like it's so super cool to have paint underneath the hood. I did not have that on my previous hoods. That's so good. And we have mounted these so we can wash the windows. That's really cool as well. So oh, I am super stoked about this. Really loving the look with the wheels as well. It looks so good. Oh yeah, I know that my CPL filter is kind of messing up a little bit, because yeah, it kind of looks a little bit different now. But I mean, look at this. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm so ready to go to street meets and really just show off this car now, because it is so good. I am going to enjoy this car a lot. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, like I said, the situation in the beginning where I actually broke my hood, that kind of sucked, and I was really worried about like this being a really expensive car. I was really worried about, I mean, like, damn, how can I afford a new hood and all that stuff. But I mean, it had all worked out in the end, and I feel like it's really worth it. And I mean, it looks so good now. And I was kind of worried about the paint not being matched, and like I said, it did not match. And now that we got the whole car resprayed, it looks just fantastic. I could not. It is so good. I don't have words. I'm speechless. It's looking so good. So now, like I said, really ready to take this out and just enjoy it in the summer and have a good time with the car. And there are coming more upgrades to it, of course, along the way in the summer. I'm not done with it, but I will take that as it goes. Yeah, I have also actually removed the Nismo logo that was right here. I think it's kind of, I don't know, but it's kind of clean without it. But then again, I feel like it's missing something also. Maybe I should order like a GTT logo, or should I just go all fake and buy like a GTR logo and have it there? I know this is not a GTR, but then again, it's kind of like putting a M3 badge on a non-M3. I'm not a fan of that. So maybe I should buy like a GTT logo or something. I don't know. Go down in the comment section and tell me what you would do. Would you have GTR or GTT? What's better? The GTR logo is really cool, and I mean, this is, in my opinion, this is way closer to a GTR than 316 E36 being close to M3. That's not even close at all. I feel like this is equally cool. In my eyes, it is equally cool. Yeah, but you know what, I am super happy, and we actually got the painted lips again one more time, and it's to be honest, as you see a little bit on camera, it looks worse on camera than in reality, but it's actually not really the same color still. So we actually missed a little bit on that color, and that's not good. So maybe we have to respray those again, because we actually sprayed the whole car, like I said, up until this point and then faded out. It would have been better to just spray it down here also, and including these, but we did not do that because we took these off and then sprayed them. So that's why they were kind of a mix up, and they're not 100% the same, but you know what, I am happy. It looks good either way. So now you guys are up to speed on what's going on with my Nissan Skyline, and I can finally start sharing some photos of this car on Instagram. So check me out on Instagram at Father Films. And I am just so excited going to photo shoots, car meets, road trips and whatever, and just enjoy this car. I mean, it's so good now. So yeah, it's hitting hard. I love it's a strange feeling. I mean, ever since I was a little kid, I've had posters in the ceiling of my bedroom, and like looking at posters of Skyline R34 for so long, and to finally have that car in my driveway, it's seriously just like surreal. It's not even realistic anymore. I don't know. It still blows me away. I've actually, fun fact, tomorrow is actually 1 year ago since I bought the car. Actually, so I have owned this car for a year now. That's pretty sick, but I still, my mind can't comprehend it. It's so sick to have a car like this. Yeah, it's good. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully now you're up to speed about everything that's going on with the car, and leave a like if you did like the video, and I will make a ton more video with this and with my E36, of course, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.